What do campers, RV owners, cooking YouTubers, Tokyo capsule apartment renters, and college dorm room dwellers have in common? It all depends, of course. But it's likely that all could benefit from owning a small, portable electric burner. There are many products available to choose from best electric burners, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices to help you make a perfect decision. I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best electric burners from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Elite Gourmet Countertop Double Cast Iron Burner. Here's a double burner that heats up quickly with the turn of a few knobs. This infrared device has two cooking burners, with one that emits 600 watts, and the other 900, measuring 5 and 6.5 inches respectively. Adjusting the temperature on each burner is easy, thanks to a knob that can either keep food warm or at a roiling boil, plus its non-skid feed. Ensure the burner won't slide around while in use. The maximum cookware size this burner can accommodate is up to 9.5 inches. Keep in mind, however, these dual cast iron cooking plates can't fold, so if you're not in a space that can accommodate a 20-inch appliance, this model may be too big for you. Easy to clean. 6.5-inch and 5-inch cast iron flat cooking plates are non-stick and easy to clean with a damp cloth or non-abrasive sponge. Adjustable temperature. Quickly reach and sustain the desired low, medium, or high heat settings with the variable temperature knob to keep food warm or boil hot water. Number 2. Avente Double Cast Iron Burner Hot Plates. You don't have to drop a ton of cash on a double burner for your home or RV. This one is at a reasonable price and provides up to 1,700 watts when you need it. This electric burner won't warp or rust between uses, and a cast iron surface means cleaning it only requires a wipe from a damp towel. One plate is 7.25 inches. The other is 6.10 inches, and both heat up quickly for use with pots and pans. Made of most common materials, magnetic bottoms included. The cooktop is affordable, though some reviewers say each hot plate surface is slightly uneven, which can make for a frustrating cooking experience. Plus, the power cord is somewhat short, and some say the hot plates are tough to clean. Heats up in seconds. The Avente Electric Cast Iron Burner is equipped with a 7.25 and 6.10 cast iron plate and powered by 1,700 W, 120 V of power. It heats up quickly and cooks food evenly without any hot or cold spots. Number 3. Cuisinart CB30P1 Cast Iron Single Burner. For a single hot plate that can provide up to 1,300 watts of power, this machine is fairly impressive, especially at its price. The Cuisinart CB30P1 burner has some solid power behind it, and a 6-setting temperature control knob that can keep food warm or boil water in a jiffy. Its flat plate design makes cleaning it a cinch, and bright lights indicate when it's ready for use. This single burner is as bare bones and reliable as it gets without sacrificing power or heat distribution. It also seems to be a popular electric burner for those who pressure can at home. Plus, its infrared heat element means it's compatible with most cookware. Its only downfall is its 7-inch burner, which may be too small for a 10 or 12-inch pan. This cast iron single burner from Cuisinart is a coil-less and easy-to-clean electric cooktop that's suitable for everyday or on-the-go use. Compact and portable design features a durable cast iron plate, plus a simple 6-setting temperature control. Cuisinart's cast iron single burner features a compact and portable electric stove design, suitable for everyday use and ideal for smaller kitchens or on-the-go cooking excursions. Number 4. Duxtop Professional Portable Induction Cooktop. Looking for a professional burner that you can rely on? This electric stove is quick and efficient. Plus, it's lightweight for easy handling. Made with stainless steel for durability and an easy cleaning surface, this portable stovetop has all the smart features you need for cooking like a professional at home. A temperature level setting, a touch-screen panel with a large, easy-to-read display, a 7-blade fan toward its back that dissipates heat, and a glass cooktop that won't burn on food. Like all induction stovetops, you'll need to use a magnetic bottom pot or pan with this burner, and Duxtop recommends one with a minimum diameter of 5 inches. Plenty of Amazon reviewers say this burner is terrific. and love that it's elevated for a slightly higher cooking surface. Some also say it's a great cooktop to use commercially. However, a word to the wise. This electric burner requires magnetic bottom cookware to work properly. Portable induction burner. Duxtop professional countertop burner uses 120V 15 amp electrical outlet standard in all North American homes. ETL listed and built to North American electrical standards. Lightweight. Portable induction cooktop makes handling and storage easy. Number 5. Portable Induction Cooktop Countertop Burner Induction. Here's a commercial-grade induction cooktop for those wanting an upgrade to the typical burner. This electric surface adjusts from power levels of 200 to 1,800 watts and operates with touch-sensitive buttons. Its LCD display shows how much heat is being produced, while a timer can be set from 1 minute to 3 hours to ensure a controlled cooking environment. Additionally, safety features like an auto shut-off function will turn the burner off when the pan sensor detects nothing is on its surface. This burner is also covered by an 18-month warranty should anything become defective, and a scratch-resistant glass surface prevents the stove from looking messy or chipped after a cleanup. It's best suited for cookware between 4.7 to 11.8 inches, made of enameled cast iron, stainless steel, or any magnetic bottom pot or pan. This commercial induction cooktop is suitable for enamel, cast iron, stainless steel, heats to desired temperature in just seconds, produces heat directly in the cookware with less residual heat in your kitchen. Durable professional design with a stainless steel body brings a longer life cycle. Note: using incorrect cookware will cause the burner to malfunction. Number 6. Duxtop LCD Portable Double Induction Cooktop. This professional digital countertop induction cooktop by Duxtop is equipped with 2 independent heating zones that allow you to set each one separately using the LCD display screen. The Duxtop induction burner uses 120 volts 15 amp of electricity standard in all North American homes. This double burner features 2 independent heating zones, with one providing up to 1,800 watts of power and the other 1,000. This double burner has some serious power and can easily fry, steam, and sauté. It's also got plenty of safety features, like a child safety lock and a power sharing feature to avoid electrical overload. With a touchscreen panel and 20 preset power levels, this double range cooker is compatible with cast iron, magnetic steel, enameled iron, and stainless steel pots and parts. It also has a 10-hour timer. It may be a little heavy, however, at 12 pounds. So if you don't need a professional-styled burner for work, you may want to reconsider. Number 7. Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Electric Indoor Grill. Here's an electric griddle that's a solid choice for those who'd rather cook directly on the surface of their electric burner. This Hamilton Beach griddle is a 3-in-1 package and comes with 3 double-sided, dishwasher-safe plates. The plates are used to divide the cooking surface, depending on what you'd like to prepare, with each plate presenting one side for grilling and another for use as a griddle. The surface itself is non-stick, which makes it easy to wipe clean. Plus, with dishwasher-safe plates and a grease tray, keeping the griddle debris-free is easy. Dual control knobs allow you to adjust the temperature on both sides of the griddle, which makes cooking a large meal a cinch. Keep in mind, though, that some reviewers say this product takes a long time to heat up, plus an uneven distribution of heat may frustrate some users. 3-in-1 cooking versatility. Full grill, half griddle. Reversible plates include a griddle on one side and grill on the other. Great for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. From pancakes, eggs, and bacon for breakfast, to grilled cheese and hot sandwiches for lunch, to grilled steaks, hamburgers, chicken, fish, pizza, vegetables, and more. It can be used for any meal. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.